We are A Bargain Appliance Repair Incorporated. And within the next 60 seconds, we want to explain what makes us different from other appliance service companies. First, we work locally. We employ your local appliance repair technicians right from in your backyard. Second, we are trustworthy. Each and every one of our technicians that enters your home have passed a comprehensive character and criminal background search. We have been firmly entrenched in the background screening industry since 1987 and wouldn't think of sending just anybody into your home. Third, we are a national company working in over 30 major metro markets covering thousands of cities. We draw upon that collective experience and national buying power and bring it to bear for you, locally. Also, we offer you peace of mind of transparent pricing, using our flat rate pricing model to ensure you pay no more than the industry standard repair rate. That builds a solid reputation for fairness. Our national reputation has been hard-earned over the years, and now our fourth and final point. We are reliable. Our technicians will service around 20,000 satisfied customers this year. However, as with all repairs done by anyone, anywhere, 2 to 3% of any repair will fail at first, because some of the hidden electrical problems that could not be known until after the initial problem was repaired. You know you have to fix this to find out what was hiding the real problem all along. Now, doing business with our company will ensure you that you will not have to worry about these hidden problems or failed repairs. We take care of our clients. In fact, we offer a 1-year parts and labor guarantee. Think about it. Will that be the case if you're doing business with an individual living day-to-day off each repair? Now you know what makes us different. Local and national. Trustworthy and reliable. That's A Bargain Appliance Repair.